welcome back to another video. Today we are back with part 2 of adding coins to Geometry Dash. Can you believe it? I can't. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? I sure as hell can't believe it. Bro, it's glitching again. So this is what we made last time. That is not what we made last time. This is what we made. That is not what we made last time. I have been cooking up on some thingies throughout the meantime. This is what we made in the meantime. Bro, but yeah, we made Stereo Madness, but I added coins. Like, you can see here, this coin was completely changed. And I'm so sorry this is so glitchy, I don't know why. So when it's on this screen, it glitches, but when it's on this screen, it's perfectly fine. But yeah, like, like, here, completely changed this coin. And finally, all the way over here in the ship section, I did that as well. But now we are doing, drum roll please. It's going to be quite a long drum roll, so don't do it just yet. So if we come over to high, scroll down to Vault lists, Geometry Dash, back on track. Copy the level. Right, so let's start. So yeah, boom, 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 boom. Oh wait, this is really cool actually. I don't know why I'm dancing, it's back on track. It doesn't even have no music to it. Right, here is the first coin in 3, 2, 1, click. Where the hell is it? Where's the coin? I swear it was around here. Here it is. Yep, knew it. So if we delete all, let's just play. Okay. So maybe we could have the first coin be. Where could we have the first coin? We could technically do. Please don't kill me. Alright. That indeed kills you. Okay, so you fall down here. This is like an intention, like. Now, I know this introduces the yellow pad, so yeah, that's what we are going to. That's what we're going to be using, the yellow pad. So yeah, let's see how this looks. Whee! Right, and then you can burst through these. But is that possible in this real world? Oh, I like that. And if you fall in the real world, you die. And in this world, whee! Oh, you died to the spine. Hold up. Beep, 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 beep. That's the wrong thing. Damn, I am so close to the screen. It's just I'm locking in, guys. Let's select ow. No. Alright, how's that? How's that? Drum roll, please. Right, let's just do this instead. You ready? Boom, bing, bap, bam. Now this will do it. You ready? You ready? Yeah, you know? You ready? It works! Yes! Knew it would work. I knew it would. I knew it would. So first coin, we can smack it. I say we can smack it. Boom. 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 There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So then you're playing, you're like, la da da. Oh wait, there's a coin down there. Next time you come around, you're like, You know, they have a troll. Is there fake blocks? I think there's only fake spikes. There's no fake blocks. There's breakable blocks, but I don't want to do breakable blocks. Because the reason that I don't want to use breakable blocks is because they're not introduced in this update. They're introduced a few updates. Really, not a few. More than a few updates away. I can tell you that. Right, come on then, 2 flipping years later. Here we go. Right, so if we just go place, 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 boom, boom. There you go. Now it looks a bit more natural. Right, I like that. I like that. And then you go the normal. Alright, you're like sweet. Right, next coin. Should we just? Yeah, I'll keep that. Psych. I am not having any of this rubbish. Rock Top wanting to add things that aren't already added into the game. So yeah, you're doing this. That's the Ceremento song, isn't it? Is it? Look at me. Right, come on, let's just keep on playing, you know. One round! Boom. Stop. Right, boom. Boom. That's all I'm going to do. So, yeah. Let's come over here. Let's place a starting point down. Boom. Okay, yep, then we come up here. And then for this, does this look good? Hi, this is your quick reminder to subscribe to me because I really post it often on this account, but I really want to try and get to 50 subscribers. And we are so close, so please hit that subscribe button right now. Anyways, back to the video. Wow. I kind of like that, actually. So if I place the coin, I'll say there. So yeah, you're playing, you're like, oh yeah, this is totally normal. You go like, you see that shit? I like it. You see that? I might keep this part the same. Oh, I nearly missed that. Did you see that? I nearly missed that. Now this part, I've always wanted to do this. You know, like, this would be a pretty good coin. Like, you know, just like that. You know, and then we can smack the coin there. I know I can only play 3 coins, but hey, that's pretty good if you ask me. You're just like chilling. Whoa! Oh yeah, by the way, when I'm looking like this away from the screen, but I'm still like, I'm looking at Geometry Dash, I'm looking at OBS. Is that good? I think that's pretty good. No. Oh my god. Bro, come on, no. Don't like this anymore. Don't like this anymore. Please. Help me. I've always wanted to do like straight fly. Bro, I've been listening to a lot of King Sam, a lot of like Muga Million, Z Juice. So well, bro. And then the rest of the level can literally just be the rest of the level. Okay, so if I... Oh! That deletes a lot. Like, a lot. Uh, are you coming in here? Okay, I'll turn the camera off. Turn my camera off. I'm making a video. Yeah, I'll turn my camera off. So you're gonna be in the... They're gonna hear your voice, if that's okay. Okay, well then I'll just cut this part out then. Oh, I hate that. Wait, why isn't it working when I want to go live, by the way?
What?
My OBS isn't working when I want to go live.
I don't know. I told you to look at it.
I know, but it said to wait 24 hours. And I waited like... That was over a week ago. And it's still saying that.
Did you actually read it properly?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it says something wrong with my YouTube account because it doesn't let me to go in. So it says to go in the settings on my YouTube account. So I do that, but then I don't know what to do from there.
Listen to it.
I don't.
You follow what it tells you to do on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, but it says to enable something, and it puts me on this page, and everything's already enabled. And I read it, and
Clearly, all of it's not enabled.
I don't.
Clearly, it's not all enabled.
Would you want to look at it?
No.
Hello? There we go. Right. I've just verified the level from that starting point, so I need to delete that. Right. 2%, that's the new best. I'm amazing. Right, back on track. Give me a new best. Come on. What? I believe in myself. Wait, if the cat puts a bad video editor to you, what is a good one?
The one I use.
Which one? Which one's
Advanced and it's harder to learn.
well,
Or, if you want to completely fucking rebel,
what's that?
DaVinci Resolve.
What's rebel like? Rebel like?
Basically, I listen to what everyone else is saying and not listen to what everyone is saying that that you shouldn't use it or do it.
So if someone says don't use this, do it.
Yeah. It's shit. The only reason people use it is because it's similar to an Adobe piece of software.
Oh yeah.
But DaVinci is fucking terrible because it just doesn't work sometimes.
Wow.
The people who have tried installing it, it's taken them multiple hours. And at the end of it, they say, don't do it, just use this in there, this instead. You know what this instead is?
What?
The thing I use.
Oh.
Why is this oven on?
Why is what on?
The oven.
It's cooking something. Right, let me mute and let me verify. Right, I'm unmuted. I beat the level. I can slide you in there until my camera back on. Camera back on? It's that one. For some reason. Right. Right, see ya in the next. Oh, hello. See you in the next video. Goodbye, chat. Chat? What? Goodbye.